Hi, hello, love you.
Hi, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a little collective Halloween haul. I've been kind of picking things up here and there actually since like the middle of summer when stuff started coming out. I'm really good at bargain hunting and most things that I get are very affordable, and I've been collecting a ton over the years because I go crazy and decorate everything in my house. Halloween is my favorite, and then every year I usually buy a couple of pieces that I really want in the beginning of the season before it's all sold out, and then I will a lot of times check clearance after Halloween is over when it gets down to like 90%, and I'll be able to pick up stuff after Halloween as well. But for today I'm just going to be sharing things from Target, Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and the grocery store. And I think that's it. Just little things here and there. There's food, there's decorations mostly, and then I also have a clothing haul, but I'm going to include all the clothing pieces that I found in another video where I do like a try on, because I've got a bunch of other ones that I've bought in previous years and you can still find a lot of them on right now on like Amazon and Etsy. So I'm going to try to link all of that, and I'll do that in a totally separate video. If you guys are interested in really cute clothes for Halloween, make sure that you come back and check out that video. That one will be up next probably, or next week. The first thing that I'm going to be sharing is this necklace because it is the cutest little ghost necklace you've ever seen. Look! Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. And here's one of the shirts I'll be sharing later on. This one's from Amazon. Sneak peek of that shirt. Also got a second necklace on Amazon, and it's a little pumpkin. That's the back of it. So adorable. You could totally layer these up if you wanted to. I forgot to mention I did go to Joanne Fabrics and Marshall's as well, and this is the only thing that I got at Joanne Fabrics besides a piece of fabric, which is just black velvet, so I don't need to show you guys that, but this is so beautiful and sparkly. A couple of years ago at Marshall's, I was able to get the wine glass with the skeleton hand that's holding the wine glass, and I love that one. It's lasted me for years. But then I found these ones. So this one I just had in another video. You guys might have already seen this one, and I just used it last night, so it's still wet. But it's so adorable. I hope that this one holds up. It says like it's not dishwasher friendly, of course, but for hand washing, it's so cute. And then this one I love even more. This one has got a little pumpkin inside, and I just think it's going to be so precious. Those were both from Marshall's, and then these were from Marshall's, and the clothing stuff's gonna go in that other video. I just decided to show you guys the accessories in this video too, but I'll probably be wearing them in my try-on as well. But look at how cute these are. They also had a pair that was gray with little orange pumpkins with green stems on them, and the inside of those ones were white, and they were so beautiful, but they didn't have them in my size. But I loved these ones just as much, and they matched the PJs that I bought there as well, so I was really happy. The next things I got are from the grocery store. I think they're so cute. They're so squishy. This one is a ghost. I got one for each one of my kids. Look at this one's face. It's a little mummy. So adorable. Then I got a spider with all the little eyes. Precious. And a purple and black bat. Totally precious. So squishy. Who knew the grocery store had such cute stuff? Look at the little bat in there. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely precious. And they had like 4 different words on the front. I like the spooky one the best. And I got these cookies. They're like black and orange frosted vanilla cookies, and they're really sweet and yummy. I also got the pumpkin spice creamer and also some orange Halloween printed Oreos, which are already gone. Sticking with the food theme, I got 2 Halloween cereals for the kids. They already ate the Apple Jacks. Are from Walmart, as are the next things. We got some little brain ice cube trays, some skulls and some pumpkins, and every single year we have a family Halloween party and we make fun ice cubes with like spider rings in them, so I thought the kids would love to have these for our Halloween party drinks. I got a couple of pillows from Walmart. Look how cute these are. Ghosts are so on trend right now, and I'm really loving the black and white theme as well. I'm always like here for the traditional black and orange, but I just think that this is so adorable and it's gonna match everything. My channel has been out now for about a year. This is the same time last year that I started my channel, and my first video was my mudroom makeover video. So everything used to be like kinds of like pinky and girly, and I changed it to more of like a greenery look. And so I usually decorate that room purple for Halloween, but this year I want to do kind of like a neutral colored Halloween decor in there. So I got this adorable Hocus Pocus sign. It's got cute little stars on it and it just looks beautiful. Like, I love how it's made. And it was only $4 at Walmart. And then this is one of the things that I got that was a little bit more expensive. I usually don't buy stuff like this until it goes on clearance, but I knew I was gonna miss out if I didn't get this one. And I love the faces because they're so accurate. This was like one of my favorite movies when I was a teenager or like an older preteen, and I just think that they're so accurate and so cute and I just love it. Then I got these fuzzy little pumpkin picks there, and I think this kind of like neutral stuff is just gonna look so good in that mudroom. My son begged me to get him some bloody keep out letters because he said that it's gonna keep his sisters out of his room. And then I love these bandanas. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you probably see me wear them constantly, but I get them at Walmart because they're only $1. Well, now they're $2. They used to be $1, but they have them new ones every season, and I just love the patterns that they have there. These ones were all from this year, I believe. It's hard to remember because I have so many, but I love them. I usually wear my hair up and I do like cute little knot and tuck the sides in. Then I got some earrings, and I don't wear earrings a lot, but I just thought this was going to be the cutest thing ever with, like, I have this fuzzy white sweater which I'll be sharing with you guys in the other video, and these ones are neutral and they're just the cutest little ghosty earrings with like a big cozy sweater with a ghost on it. And then this is not something I would normally buy. I'm probably going to give this to my kids or put it in like our Halloween dress up stuff. But I got this little vampire choker, and it comes with little bat earrings and these little blood drops, and I thought this would be so fun because I'm doing a vampire themed dining room table, and I got the coolest dishes. If you guys are new here, go check out my latest antiquing haul because I am going to be making a really spooky tablescape this year, and I'm really excited about that. So I want to dress up like a vampire for that video. The next store is Target, and I got this from the dollar aisle, and I think it's going to look so cute in that little room with like the light colored wood and the black and white theme. Then I got some little pumpkins from the Target dollar spot. These really adorable, I don't know, what do you call this? Like made out of natural material. And then these little velvety pumpkins and just a filler of white pumpkins. And then I want to keep my greenery out this year. I want to add touches of like the black glittery one like I showed you, but I also want to keep my greenery out because that is like a really cute style. Have you guys looked at Joanne Fabrics? Because they have like this mossy, creepy vibed Halloween stuff, and everything is still covered with like green plants and moss, and it is so cool. So I'm definitely going to go for a little bit of green still in that vibe. And so I got these little also like natural looking green pumpkins. She's adorable. I love it. It's from Target dollar aisle again, and it's like, I don't use these when I'm doing like a big Keurig, but if I'm doing a pot of coffee, I'll just do like a smaller cup, and then I'll usually refill it if I even want to. A lot of times it's enough for me anyways, but I know you can get these in bigger sizes, I think like at Marshall's and stuff, but I loved it. I just thought it was so cute, and it was cheap too, so thank you, Target dollar aisle. And the last thing I got at Target, also from the dollar aisle, is this cute little koozie, just for like my bubbly waters that I drink every day. And then this set of 4 drink mixers. They're so cute, and I'm just gonna use them to like stir my coffee every morning because because I usually use a butter knife and that is not festive. The next store is Dollar Tree, or should I say $1.25 Tree. But anyways, I got some more pumpkins for my entryway, and look how beautiful these are. They're not glass, they're plastic, but they have like a really high-end look to them, and they light up. And one of them looks a little more green and one of them's a little bit more silver, but they're so beautiful. Then I got these little leather look pumpkins, and I heard that this is trending this year too, for like the leather looking ones for the $1. That is so cheap. And then also sticking with the green theme, I got these two little green pumpkins. I thought they were really cute, and they've got like gold stems. I'm not sure if I will like paint over these. I think I'm just gonna leave them. This one I am going to paint. The whole reason that I bought this one is that I wanted to paint black stripes on it. So my plan is to do like every other little section with black, because I think that'll look so cute in the entryway as well. Then I have this glittery wreath in my entryway. If you guys have seen that video, you've already seen it before, but I never take that down. I just leave it up. And so I plan on putting these sparkly little bats. They're on a clip like that. So I'm just gonna clip these all over my glitter wreath because they're glitter bats. And then I'm planning, if this fits, I want to put this inside of my wreath. So I don't know if I'll be painting this black. I kind of almost even like the color of it, how it is now, but I'm definitely going to be doing a DIY Halloween video. So this will probably be part of that. Same with the little painting pumpkin. And then I got this little wooden pumpkin as well. So I think I'm going to be doing some kind of painting DIY with this for the entryway. And I got this cute little table runner that looks like a spider web. I don't know how long it is, but I think no matter what, it'll be cute somewhere. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this for my vampire table or if I'm going to put it on a smaller table, but for $1. And I always buy my like spooky cloth or cheesecloth, whatever it's called, like the spooky creepy cloth from Dollar Tree as well. It always comes in numerous different colors. And then look at this cute, they're like velvet pumpkins on some twine, so I'm not sure where I'm going to hang this yet, but I loved it. I got adorable little cupcake liners, and they're like the metal or whatever tinfoil ones, which I like a lot better than like the normal paper ones. I got this little scrunchie, which is just black and white, but I thought that'd look really cute with like different Halloween outfits because I do lots of black and white stripes and checkers in the Halloween months as well. And do you guys love crazy socks? Because they are like my favorite thing. Every year, the whole entire month of like September and October, I wear fun Halloween socks. So I always stock up at Dollar Tree because they're so cheap there. And I thought these ones were really cute. I usually stick to like very simple colored ones, but these ones reminded me of like a, you know, ugly Christmas sweater, and I thought that was adorable. And then these ones are glittery, but actually they're for my son. But they didn't have any boys ones. They're all like sparkly, and I'm like, he's not gonna care. But look at how cute they are. Oh my gosh, I'm like, why didn't they have these ones in my size? Because they were like my favorite ones. But this is more like what I usually go for because it's all like kind of one color theme, and there's still glitter on them, little ankle socks. And then there's these slipper socks, which I already wore, and I mean, they're clean, but I can't find the other one. It's still in the wash. But look how cute they are. They're so fuzzy and like just little ankle socks. I love them. All right, the last store is Dollar General, and this is the first little teeny cute thing. Once again, it's got this light colored wood with the black and white, so it's gonna look so good on my little shelves in my entryway. And then, okay, what I'll show you next. This is adorable. I was looking for like the really simple glass ghosts with the light up face, and I couldn't find them at Marshall's, and I don't have a TJ Maxx, or I didn't want to drive to a TJ Maxx, so I ended up just finding this one at Dollar General. And even though it's not like this simple one like I wanted, like the one I wanted just looked like this. It was just, you know, ghosts. Have you guys seen them? I'm sure you have, but I thought this was really cute too with the gold, and I'll probably put this, I don't know yet. You're just gonna have to wait and see. I'll show you guys how I decorate with all of this stuff in upcoming videos. But then I got these candelabras, and I am absolutely in love with these. They're so beautiful. I feel like this is totally something that you would be able to find in like an antique shop and like paint this way, or Goodwill or something that's a little bit more sturdy, because these are kind of like a little bit lighter weight of a thing, but I don't care because they're from Dollar General, and I got these to go on top of them. Oh my goodness, look. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful in your life? They're so glam. They're just absolute perfection. Gorgeous. I seriously was like more excited about these than probably anything else that I have found. So, and they're okay. They smell like poison apple, I guess. I haven't burned them yet, but I think I'm going to set them on each side of my fireplace, probably down low. Like I said, they're kind of lighter weight, and then like the candles are kind of heavy, so I don't want them to be like up high on my mantle, but I think they would fit, so we'll see what I end up deciding. Then I got this adorable rug. Do you love this as much as I do? Because it's so freaking cute. And this was also from Dollar General. And these are really nice. Like, they're heavy duty and they're rubbery on the back. And I just loved the picture of this one. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this inside or outside yet. All right, so that is everything from Dollar General. And I was about to say goodbye, and then I realized that I forgot something. So I have to show you these blankets. These were from Walmart. And I got these so long ago. Like, it was the middle of summer and I just tucked them away because I knew if I didn't get them now, I was not going to see them again. But they're under $10 and they're so thick and so cushy. And look at the design. Look at the detail. They have the absolute cutest pictures ever. I was in shock when I saw these blankets. I got this one for my daughter. I was gonna get a third one because they had more prints than this, but my other daughter just was like, I don't want one, I don't care, I want chips instead. So we only have two, but I already have other ones from like previous years in different stores and ones my mom gave me for free, so I didn't need any more blankets, but these ones were our favorite. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Absolutely precious. I think these are like probably the favorite things that I found besides the candles. All right, friends, that is the end of this video today. I hope that you liked this video. What was your favorite thing that I found? There's so many good things. I can't even decide which one I really love the most, but I hope that you guys come back and subscribe if you're new here, and I hope that you are excited to see my try-on because it is so much clothes that I have collected over the years. So many cute Halloween outfits and outfits that are still like Halloween colors without being too obvious as well. So I have lots of different stuff like that, and then lots of decorate with me's or tours after I'm done decorating. I also have some older Halloween videos that aren't as good of quality. Not that I'm like perfect right now because I'm still kind of new at this, but I did some last year. So if you guys want to see those, they're on my page like not that long ago. They're just from the very beginning of my YouTube channel about a year ago. So I hope you guys come back, hang out, and say hi in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You bye.